Clearly, it seems like, those last four exchanges, you would be doing fiber if you could. But and what I'm curious about is how much has the CAF kind of impacted your planning for moving forward in those areas.
Well, the Connect America Fund. I'll back up. Let's just say, how has the FCC order of 2011 affected us? It has created quite a bit of uncertainty. We've spent the last 5-6 months, the accounting department, doing data requests for NECA, which does a lot of the calculations, which in turn they give those to the USAC and to the FCC. And so there's no question that there's a movement by the FCC to use some of our money to push broadband into areas that don't have it. Well, that means that we can expect that we're going to have less support. And then, of course, in that order, they said over the next 5 to 7 to 9 years that we're going to lose access revenues. And the way I teach my employees and my board of directors is we, in the ILEC territory, we live on a three-legged stool. We have local rates, we have access revenue from the long-distance carriers, and then we have Universal Service Fund. And so when you know that over the next few years, access revenue is going to diminish, and quite possibly universal service will diminish, you got to start looking at ways, okay, how are we going to prepare to survive in this new environment? And so that has changed. We're going to have to look differently of how we deliver some of these services moving forward. And so those last 4 exchanges, we're going to probably we got to start thinking out of the box. How are we going to create an infrastructure that meets the demands of those residents, businesses, farms, and so forth? And we'll have to think out of the box to do that.
Yeah, you mentioned that from an operator perspective, you have to move forward with thinking that the way the order is written, that's how it's going to stand.
Yeah, I see no writing on the wall that anything's going to be overturned or anything. There'll be tweaks and that sort of thing to the plan, I'm sure. But like a lot of things, prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So we've got to prepare that revenues are going to be harder to come by, which in turn makes us start looking at other pieces of business to look for more revenue, whether it be the non-regulated businesses and so forth.